We have 4 positions for senior kitchen professionals in Pakistan available. They are for leading hotel properties in Pakistan who are 5-star rated. And the first position is for corporate director of Culinary Arts, looking after 50 food and beverage outlets plus larger function facilities. For this position, we will only consider candidates who are European trained, are already on the corporate level and have worked within branded properties and have a really solid understanding of concept and strategies within corporate operation. Salary $120,000 net. Then we're looking for 2 executive chefs, one for 400, the other one for 300 room hotel, both with several restaurants and also larger function facilities. The one hotel manages 1,000 packs, the second hotel 1,500 packs. Salary, both position $72,000 net. The fourth position is for an executive pastry chef, looking after 7 restaurants, mainly into the fine dining concept, also looking after larger function facilities of 1,500 packs. And we're looking for an executive pastry chef who has really ample experience of managing larger operation in production and a really coordination of the a la carte restaurants. Salary $60,000. And this position for the executive pastry chef is open to all nationalities. If you have interest in any of these 4 appointments, please contact us at your convenience.